Moving into a new home is an exciting experience. But there is the problem of getting the right appliances that meets your needs for performance, functionality, and energy efficiency. Levande Subscription and Services is on a mission to empower people to live more sustainably and help reduce electronic waste in landfills. By offering an all-in-one appliance subscription, we are reshaping how people own appliances today. Simply log on to levande.com.sg and select your preferred appliance subscription. We will then deliver within 48 hours and have them set up in your home, ready for use. Pay a transparent monthly subscription fee that is designed to give you great savings as compared to buying the appliance. Your product also comes with a hassle-free warranty for the duration of your subscription. If you face an issue with your appliance that we cannot resolve remotely in few minutes, we will provide a like-for-like replacement within 48 hours. We aspire to maximize resource efficiency by recycling and reusing appliances as we advance towards a circular economy. We offer refurbished appliances back on subscription. By subscribing to a refurbished product, you help reduce the growing mountains of e-waste and contribute to a more sustainable future. Let's live a more sustainable lifestyle that is great value for you and even better for the environment.